Sago, something easy to find and easy to use and tastes nice when you cook in desserts. And I'm going to show you how to do sago and bread pudding. For this recipe I'm using 150 grams sago already soaked, and this is how it looks like. You need to soak it overnight, and about 1 cup coconut sugar. Instead you can use jaggery or brown sugar, a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 5 eggs, and 3 cups breadcrumbs, and a teaspoon vanilla, 375 grams or milliliters or 1.5 cups milk with half a cup or 125 milliliters whipping cream, about 1/4 cup of diced pineapple with a 1/4 cup of mixed peels, 50 grams butter with 50 grams, half a cup of sultana. So let's start doing this recipe. It's so simple and easy to do. Into a pot, add the milk and the cream. Into that add the butter. Bring it to boil. So mix it really well. Once it is warm, add the coconut sugar. If you like more sugar in this recipe, you can add more sugar, and keep on stirring and mix well. So the butter needs to be melted and the sugar needs to be dissolved. Once it starts boiling, switch it off. Take it onto the bench top and stir well again. And into that add the sago. You don't need to boil the sago here. So mix it with the milk and the coconut sugar. Now into that add the fruits and add a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. So it will activate. Then going to add the breadcrumbs. Mix and leave this to cool down completely. It will take about half an hour. If you can see clearly, the bicarbonate of soda activates and it's giving lots of bubbles in between the sago. So leave it to activate. Now the next step, break the eggs into a jug or a bowl. After, whisk the eggs properly. Now add the eggs into the sago mix. Mix well. If you like more brownish color, you can always add a bit of treacle or even golden syrup. So get a pudding bowl like this, spray well. Now add the prepared mix into the pudding bowl. If you want, you can do this in 2 pudding bowls. The smaller the easier. This one you will need to bake about 1.5 hours, and this one will be about 45 minutes. And also you can steam this pudding too. So I'm going to add half into this. You can freeze this pudding, or even you can put this in the fridge about 2-3 days without any problem. I couldn't find the lid for this, so I'm going to use foil for that. So make sure to seal the edges properly. If you are baking the pudding, put it in a baking tray like this with halfway through water and bake this on 200 Celsius about 1 hour. So both the desserts are ready, and I took the foil off to cool down and see how it is. It's a really nice soft and spongy dessert. And let's open this one, and this is how it is. So let's put a knife through and release it onto the plate. It's a really simple and easy dessert that you can try at home. And let's cut it. This is so spongy, and if I break, this is how it is. It's a really nice dessert that you can serve with a dollop of cream or ice cream, or as this is. Hope you will enjoy this. See you next time.